Hi, I'm Surya Prakash. Now we are going to see experiment number 1 network troubleshooting commands aim to execute and familiarize with the various command lines tools for network information in that commands. Hostname we have to put the hostname command shows us the name of the host device. Now we are going to see how it works. In that we have to type hostname. Host name. In this we have to see that our laptop cables here that it will show the device name. And next we have to see displays all current TCP and IP network configuration values and refreshes dynamic host configuration pattern DHCP and domain name system in settings used without parameters. IP configuration displays the IP address, subnet mask and default gateway for all adapter. We have to check that command. We have to put IP config. You see that in that we have seen the address of this. So now we have to see the next. This is the screenshot of IP configuration. The command we have to put getMac. In that the getMac command provides us with a media access control and MAC address and list of network patrols associated with each network connect to the computer. We have to check it. We have to check it that getMac. This is the physical address and transport name. In this media disconnected. This is the third command. Now we are going to see the fourth command. We have to put ping. Command name is ping. Ping is computer network administration utility which is used to test the reachability of the host and internet protocol IP network and to measure the round trip time for messages sent from the originating host to destination computer. This is the screenshot. Now we have to check the command. Ping ping minus n 10 com. This is the measurement of ping. It shows the ms of the ping from the Google. Now we are going to see fifth command. Set fifth command. The Transcend is a computer network diagnostic tool for display the root path and measuring the transit displays of packets across an internet protocol IP networks. And then this is the screenshot. Now we have to put the command. That command transit. Here to put the set google.com. This is the tracking route of google.com. This is over maximum. See that how the tracking route. See the whole maximum 30 hooks. Our trace is completed. Trace is completed. Now we are going to see the next command. Now we are going to see the next command, sixth command, path thinking. So path thinking is designed for dental metal environment in which one or more routes exist between hosts. It sends a series of packages to each route that's in path to the destination host in effort to determine whether the router is performing slowly or dropping the packets. Now we are going to, this is the screenshot. Now we are going to that command, uh, that thing, uh, in, in google.com. You can see that that command, um, typing root google.com. Let's show the code. See, that is 40 seconds. The trace completed. Now we have to see the next command. Mm, ns lookup, and in that ns lookup is your network administration command line tool available for many computer operating systems requiring a domain name system, that's DNS to obtain domain name or IP address mapping or for any other specific DNS record. This is the screenshot. Now we are going to put this command. You have to put ns lookup. It will show like a ID for certain online address. Then we have to put google.com. Now the non-authenticating answer name address is showing. Now the next command we have to see is the command. In this we have to see IP config displayed DNS. DNS. Now in this the IP config DNS option prints the context of the caching keys. DNS contains list of remote server name and the IP address if any they correspond to. You have to type that, and this is the screenshot of iConfig and display DNS. Now we have to put that command. Now we have to put that command. Put that command. IP IP config dash TLS this is the this is not that ninth command, IP config DNS. We have to see, type the command. This is the command. Hit enter. This is the ninth configuration. This is the screenshot. Now we have to see the 10th. In this we have to manipulate network routing tables. Now we have to put this command. We have to put route pins. This is the route pins. Now we have to see the IP. In this displayed and modified the IP to physical address translation tables used by address resolution protocol ARP. In this we have to type ARP-A. ARP-A. This is the command that is successful. Now we are going to see read twice the IP config. This terminates any active TCP/IP connections. All networks adapters and reduce those ICP address for use by other applications. Now we have to use this command. This is the command that is successful. We have to see next command. Next command IP config is removed. We have to put that command. And this is the command that is correct. Now we have to put next command. This is the next command listed. And MetroStatic is a command line tool that displays network connections, both incoming and outgoing, routing tables, and a number of networks interface statistics. Now we have to check it. This is the established that is correct. Nested. No, we have to put minus a. Oh, this is the right command. Now we have to check it. Yes, this is correct. Now we have to see the last. This is the last, and thank you. The basic network troubleshoot commands were executed and verified successfully. Thank you.